All right. So that was my little adventure today. What do you got for a housing provider tip of the week?
Housing provider tip of the week. Last week we talked about notices and the time frame it starts, but process server. That's been something that I think we use a lot more often these days. And I think property managers should, because it used to be where you could post a 5-day notice, and maybe it was never really that, but the courts have gotten stricter on that. 20 years ago, when I first got into this, you could post a notice and go and evict somebody. Now they're very keen on getting it physically handed to somebody 13 and over that lives in the residence. So to pay a process server $85 or $95 to hunt them down, whether it be at their work or at their house, there's a lot of time spent, and your time. My tip is along the lines of your time is worth money. So spend that $9,500 to give the process server the document, which then now they are accountable and they have to attest that they served it and sign the affidavit and all that stuff. And then you have, if it takes you 3 or 4 hours to get something like that done, maybe you got to travel a half hour to the property each way. That's an hour plus. Maybe if you don't get it, your time's worth money. So utilize process servers. And I also think anyone out there trying to explore a career in real estate, there's a shortage of process servers right now as well too. So if you're looking to get it's a special license you have to get. So if someone's trying to figure out what they want to do around real estate, that might not be a bad venture, because you get a couple bigger property managers, bigger landlords that, for us, we use process server for 60-day notices, 120-day notices, just to make sure that they're officially getting these things. So it might be a career in that as well too.